Hi, welcome to the News Chronicle TV. My name is Hassan Haruna. Here is summary of the news that have been trending in the northern Nigeria.
Tinubu to honor 210 outstanding corps members on Tuesday for their dedicated service between 2020 and 2023. Kano State-owned Northwest University has conferred honorary doctorate degree on the late Kano business mogul Alhaji Aminu Dantata and former Kano State Governor Rabiu Musa Kwankwaso. Court remands TikToker in Nasarawa prison over alleged video claiming President Tinubu's death. Tragedy struck on Saturday as 9 people from Lambata local government area of Kano State lost their lives in a car crash along Katsina-Kano highway. Similarly, 25 people have been confirmed died after a boat carrying traders and goods capsized in Gunu village, Shiroro local government area of Niger State on Saturday. The Bauchi State Governor Bala Mohammed has taken decisive steps to restore peace in Darazo local government area of the state following recent clashes between farmers and herders, accompanied by the Bauchi State Commissioner of Police, the Director of DSS Tradition Rulers, among others, at the weekend. Now, insecurity, Nigerian army repels a midnight attack by Boko Haram terrorists on military position at Limankara along the Goza Road in Borno State on Friday. Jigawa State Police Command has arrested 2 suspected arms traffickers and recovered 2 locally fabricated firearms. Adamawa State Police Command has arrested 2 suspected kidnappers linked to a threat to kidnap a resident of Song local government area of the state. 1 killed, 3 injured in communal clash over farmland in Niger State on Saturday. Now, politics. Abuja court declares the intentions of Borno opposition leader Atom Magira illegal, orders apology and 2.5 million naira compensations. 2027 we will support whoever emerged ADC presidential candidate, says Babachir David Law. Only ADC can tackle the challenges in northern Nigeria, says David Mark. Atiku Kwankwaso just still for northern political leadership after Buhari's death. Now from the international scene, 2 ladies sentenced to life imprisonment for slaughtering 14-year-olds in UK. At least 38 people have been killed and 15 others injured in an attack on a church in the Eastern Democratic Republic of the Congo on Sunday. For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channels at The News Chronicle. Follow us on Facebook, X, like, comment, and share.